Next one that the FBR note listed was Adobe, sorry.
Yeah, and I kind of want to lump Adobe and Box in together here, just because, so again, GoPro was really the only one of these four that moved on this news. Adobe was actually up 4% before we started taping the show when I checked this morning.
Because of this note?
No, had nothing to do with the note.
What?
They just, they reported sales and earnings, delivered solid sales, and surprised by like 2 cents per share on earnings. So analysts were pretty happy with that. That's what that uptick is.
Surprising price to sales multiple on these guys, though.
Yeah, Adobe market cap of 45 billion, price to sales of 9.7. Again, that would make it a pretty rich target for Apple to go after. Box, much cheaper, and also much smaller in their footprint. Market cap of 1.6 billion, price to sales of 5.6. Didn't move at all in the news. Both of these companies here, Box and Adobe, would be kind of enterprise segment plays for Apple. You know, it's one of the things that we talked about when we did our earnings update on Apple was, Apple's got this like
enterprise business that nobody talks about.
Big enterprise business no one talks about. And the play with Box would be enterprise storage. To me, it seems a little weird that Apple would acquire someone in the cloud storage space when cloud storage is not a very lucrative business to be in. You know, it's something that you kind of offer to build out your platform and make your offering more robust. And given Apple's cash hoard and the market caps that we're talking about, and the army of tech people that are there in Cupertino, I have to think they could replicate a lot of this on their own. But yeah, and also when you're thinking about like building out a platform, so like, you know, what Amazon does with its Prime, where they make cloud storage available, or obviously what Apple does with iCloud, you don't need to acquire customers from people that are loyal to this one service already. Like, you already have the brand name. You just need to build out the offering in your existing product. Right. So it's not a customer acquisition either. I think Adobe would kind of be more of a productivity play. They have a lot of applications that are focused on documents and marketing. So it'd be just kind of handling that kind of stuff from an enterprise perspective. I don't know if I really buy that one either, particularly like we talked about with the market cap being what it is and its price to sales being what it is. It seems like a very rich acquisition, and I'm not really seeing that one either for the time being.